With these two powerful ingredients, your hair will grow extremely faster and stop that hair fall, thicken up your hair, give you that voluminous hair growth, help you for length retention. This recipe I'm about to share with you today is a game changer. It's mind blowing. You will never believe these two powerful ingredients they can work so wonders like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. First thing is to bring my clean jar. My first ingredient is rice. On today's video, I will show you another powerful way to use rice to solve that your hair problem, to boost faster hair growth, to strengthen your hair, stop that weak hair, grow thicker, longer, fuller hair, and have natural hair shine and strengthen your hair. So I'll be using 2 tablespoons of my raw rice. After adding that into my jar, I will move to my next ingredient is green tea. Green tea will help to promote faster hair growth, strengthen your hair, stop hair fall or hair breakage. Green tea contains DHT that help to block the cause of hair loss. When your hair stop breaking or your hair you stop losing a lot of hair, meaning that you're going to have a lot of hair on your hair and you have fuller hair, your hair will no longer be scanty. Green tea is a game changer. Mixing these two ingredients together, guys, you will never regret it. This is a game changer. If you want to see the crazy hair growth, you want to grow your hair faster and you don't want to waste time, you need a very simple remedy. This remedy is one of those simplest remedy, but will still give you that crazy hair growth. So what I did now, I pour in my hot water into my jar container. I will keep this away to infuse for 12 hours. After 12 hours, you see that the water have changed. It has released their nutrients. Even the rice has swollen up. The water have changed in color. The green tea have released the nutrients, while the rice also have released the nutrients. I bring my shifter and my bowl to collect my tea spray. Next, I transfer it into my spray bottle. My tea spray is ready to be used. So I will show you how to use the tea spray the best way, the proper way, so that you can get that good results you're supposed to get in the tea spray. The tea spray is a game changer. It will give you that faster hair growth. It will solve the problem of that your thinning hair, the problem of that your hair fall, scalp itching, hair breakage, dandruff, give you faster, healthy hair growth. Treat your scalp. This will grow your hair like crazy. Guys, when I mean like crazy, I'm not joking. I'm not joking when I said it. If you know the proper way to use it, you will get the best result on using this recipe. So this is how my hair is looking like. I'm going to apply this on my hair. I'm trying to sense it if it smells any horrible smell. No, it's not smelling any horrible. It's smelling so nice. It's smelling like green tea. Okay, so which means it's a very good something. It's a very good result. Okay, so you don't need to bother any bad smell on it. Maybe now you may think that you may smell rice water. There is nothing like that. It's smelling like green tea. So guys, prepare this recipe, use it to grow your hair. I'm going to apply this on my cornrows. Do you see how bushy my cornrows is becoming? Only few weeks I have carried this cornrows. It's not up to 1 month. This cornrows on my hair now is 2 weeks and you have seen how bush this my cornrows have becoming in using this my tease them on my hair. This is a perfect time for you to see the best results while applying those herbs on your hair. Please try to wear protective hairstyle. It will help you a lot. Guys, it will help you a lot. So I apply this all over my hair. After applying it, I'm going to massage my scalp properly. Yes, but make sure you use your sealant to stay in. I'm not raising this out of my hair. If you want to raise it out, you can raise it out of your hair. But I will tell you not to rinse it out. I like to sit on your hair, but make sure that you use a good sealant to stay in your hair. Do not apply DT spray without using your good moisturizer like your leave-in condition or your hair butter to stay in the hair. Is very, very necessary. It's very, very important. In that way, DT spray have good chance to stay on your hair and your hair will not be drying out, okay? Because when your hair dry, it leads to hair breakage or brittle hair. Try to moisturize your hair properly. How many times can you use DT spray? Use DT spray 3 times in a week and you see a great result. In a very short period of time, your hair will grow like a weed. If you want to wash it out, you can rinse it out, okay? But I will tell you not to rinse it out. To be honest with you, I like DT spray to sit on your hair. Is the most effective way for you to get the best results. Store this thing only about 5 days in your refrigerator. Anyone that remaining, please discard it and make a fresh batch. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have not subscribed, please help me to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? And please, if you have find this video helpful and you have not liked, please help me to click on that like button. It really helps the growth of the channel and also encourage me a lot to bring out good content for you guys. Please share the video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today's video. I've come to end of today's video. If you have any question, please drop it in comment section below, okay? I'll be answering your questions, and I can't wait to hear when you try this recipe. Whenever you try this recipe, please and give us your feedback, okay? I would like to know your results when you try this recipe on your hair. Guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.